किसी बारिश. Okay. Chilly. What is chilly? The weather is turning very cold and chilly.
Spicy.
No. ये वो वाला चिली नहीं है. ओके. कोल्ड. ओके. चिली मतलब जब हमें ठंडी चुभती है ना, ठंडी, एक ठंडी जो होती है जो प्लेजेंट होती है, एक ठंडी वो होती है जो हमें चुभती है. राइट. यू फील वेरी चिली. ओके. मुझे ठंड लग रही है और आई एम फीलिंग चिली, मतलब आपको ठंडी चुभ रही है. ओके. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's move ahead and Prabodh, please start reading.
Daddy, why are the cars not moving? I can hear loud thunder. Ask Sana, are we stuck?
Okay. So what do you think is happening here? What do you think is happening here? क्या हो रहा है यहाँ? We read approximately 3 to 4 pages. What do you think is happening here? What do you think is happening here? क्या हो रहा है? Come on.
गाड़ी नहीं हिला रहा है वो.
Okay, the car is stuck. Okay. But what are they talking about? What are they talking about? See, I have scrolled the page.
Oh no, look at the clouds.
ये हमने पढ़ लिया, ये फर्स्ट पेज था. Okay.
Okay.
So now tell me what is happening here. Why I can't scroll the screen? What is happening? Yeah, what is happening here? Chalo, tell me what is happening here. We read 3 pages. What is happening here? What is happening here का मतलब है क्या हो रहा है. अब तक आपने जो पढ़ा तो स्टोरी में क्या हो रहा है?
बारिश गिर रही है.
Okay, बारिश गिर रही है. Can we share that in English? क्या बोलेंगे? It is. नहीं, it's not raining heavily. बोला तो सही उसने, drizzle हो रहा है. It has already started to drizzle. तो क्या heavy बारिश शुरू हुई है क्या?
No.
हाँ, so the weather has turned rainy. क्या क्या हो रहा है? कैसे डिस्क्राइब किया है? वेदर को कैसे डिस्क्राइब किया है?
सीढ़ी बेल्ट लगा रहे हैं.
हाँ? How have they described? They are going out of home. Okay. वेदर को कैसे डिस्क्राइब किया है? रेनी वेदर को कैसे डिस्क्राइब किया है?
हेवी.
Cloud.
हेवी.
रेनी वेदर को हैवी नहीं. सबसे पहले तो बताया है कि द क्लाउड्स आर ग्रे एंड ब्लैक. तो जब बारिश होने वाली होती है तो सबसे पहले बादल
ग्रे एंड ब्लैक.
ग्रे एंड ब्लैक होते हैं.
करेक्ट. ओके. सबसे पहले तो वो होता है. फिर क्या बताया हमको? देन इट स्टार्टेड ड्रिजलिंग. ओके. एंड देन द वेदर स्टार्टेड becoming
Cold and chilly.
So right
Chilly.
now, how is the weather? आपके वहाँ पे वेदर कैसी है अभी? Is it raining?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It is raining, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So before it started raining, the clouds had become gray and black.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
Did it immediately start raining heavily, or it started to drizzle first?
Drizzle.
Drizzle first.
Drizzle. Yes. Was there any thundering? Thundering
Flash.
is
Cold and
बादल
Flashing.
बादल जो गरजते हैं ना, that is thundering.
cold
So
and chilly.
tell me, was it thundering? आपके वहाँ was it thundering?
Cold and chilly.
No.
No.
Okay, wonderful. It was not thundering, but the weather, has it turned cold and chilly?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. It has. Yes, it has turned here too. Okay, let's proceed. I will ask. Who is this? Okay, Ankush, can you read? Ankush Bhalerao. Can you read? Okay. Nyanu, can you read, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Please read.
There was a accident. I had sweets, and now the rain is heavy. Downpour. Look at the
Waterlogging
waterlogging on the road and the big puddles.
puddles.
Mira explained.
There was an accident ahead, sweetie, and now the rain is a heavy downpour. Look at the waterlogging on the road and the big puddles. Mira explained. So, क्या हुआ? What is Mira explaining? What is she saying? What is she saying? What is she saying?
Accident.
Accident हुआ है. Okay.
Accident. The rain is heavy downpour.
हाँ, it is raining heavily. Heavy downpour मतलब बहुत जोर से बारिश हो रही है. और बहुत जोर से बारिश हुई है तो क्या हुआ? What happened?
Road is big puddles. And
Road
big
is
puddles. Big puddles.
big puddles. Okay. Waterlogging का क्या मतलब होता है? जो अक्सर होता रहता है, अभी भी बारिश में हुआ था. Waterlogging मतलब पानी जो भर जाता है. That is known as waterlogging. And puddles जो बहुत सारा एक छोटा pond जैसा हो जाता है. Puddles on the road. Yeah, these are all puddles if you can see. Yeah, these are all puddles.
Yes.
Okay. So because there was an accident, the traffic was stuck and there was a heavy downpour, because of which there was waterlogging and big puddles were formed on the road. Let's move ahead. Okay. Who will read? Arjun, will you read?
He's
Yes, please read. Arvind, please read.
Yes, ma'am. I am ready.
Hurry, she had the
Sigh.
wind is being so strong. It is very vital. I just saw
Windy.
flash of
Lightning.
lightning. We
Lightning.
must wait Harry until the road is clear.
Okay, I will read it. Harish sighed. Sighed का मतलब जब हम एक लंबी सांस लेते हैं आवाज लेके, उसको sigh बोलते हैं. Okay, Harish sighed like that. Okay, the wind is getting too strong the wind is getting so strong too. इसका क्या मतलब है? हवा तेज चल रही है. Okay, it is very windy. हवा तेज चल रही है और जोर से चल रही है. मतलब strong मतलब उसमें इतना ये है, उसकी गति इतनी है कि पेड़ भी गिर सकते हैं. Okay, that is what they are trying to say. I just saw a bright flash of lightning. Lightning we all know.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
बिजली.
Okay.
चमकना
हाँ
चमकना
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, बिजली जो चमकती है वो. We must wait here until the road is clear. यानी हमें यहाँ पे screen is disabled. स्क्रीन तो आई थिंक सबको दिख रही है. Until the road is clear. तो वो लोग ट्रैफिक में अटके हैं, but they will have to wait there until the road was clear. Let's move on to the next page. Okay, who
Can
will...
I read?
Yes, yes, please read. Please read.
It is cool inside the car now, but I feel sleepy. When we get home, I want a hot cup of tea, said Mira. Let's be patient, dear.
Let's be patient, dear. यहाँ पे patient का क्या मतलब है? यहाँ पे patient का क्या मतलब है?
I don't know, ma'am.
Okay. पेशेंट यानी यहाँ पे धीरज रखो. ओके. इसका दूसरा मतलब होता है जो हॉस्पिटल में भर्ती होते हैं ना पेशेंट.
संयम.
हाँ, संयम रखो. ओके, वेरी गुड. कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं है. एक पेशेंट वो होता है जो हॉस्पिटल में भर्ती होता है, उसको पेशेंट बोलते हैं. ये पेशेंट का मतलब है संयम रखना, धीरज रखना. ओके, गॉट इट? So there are many words in English जिसका एक से ज्यादा मीनिंग होता है. स्पेलिंग सेम होता है, प्रोनाउंसिएशन सेम होता है, लेकिन मीनिंग अलग होते हैं. ओके, यस, ओके. तो यहाँ पे क्या, who is feeling sleepy? The mother or the daughter?
Mother.
Mother. Okay, wonderful. Read, come on. Who is reading?
Ma'am, I am reading.
Yes, please read.
The next day, the black colt's hair gone. What lovely bright sunshine. Bright sunshine. Exclaimed Harish. Let's go to the park.
Okay, I will read it again. All of you make note of the pronunciation. The next day, the black clouds were gone. What lovely bright sunshine, exclaimed Harish. Let's go to the park. Abhi, now what are they saying here? What are they saying here?
पार्क.
नेक्स्ट डे जो ब्लैक क्लाउड्स थे वो चले गए थे.
Perfect, wonderful. चले गए थे और उसके बदले में क्या था?
ब्राइट सनशाइन.
Lovely bright.
Bright sunshine. So it was raining the earlier day and now it is bright sunshine. Okay. So we read, okay, I will ask this after we have finished reading. Let's move on to the next page. Yes, who wants to read?
Me.
Ha, read.
Would that
That sounds perfect.
sounds the R is where
The air is warm.
them and fresh
After the rain.
after the rain. Sad are near these children were
will enjoy
The is Sunday.
okay
Sunday.
sunny day. I will read it again. Oh, that sounds
Okay.
perfect. The air is warm and fresh after the rain, said Meera. The children will enjoy this sunny day. Okay, so now what are they telling us here about the weather?
Children.
अभी weather कैसी है? How is the weather on this page?
Warm and fresh.
Sunny. Garam.
Sunny. Okay, and the air is warm and fresh. Okay, क्या warm है? Air.
Air.
The air is warm and fresh and it's a sunny day. Okay. Yes, now who is reading?
I can reading my.
Yes, please read. Sheetal Suryavanshi, please read.
They reached the park. The sun was into peace. Heat now.
Okay, शीतल आपके वहां पे थोड़ा सा शायद से नेटवर्क का इश्यू है क्योंकि आपका आवाज बराबर नहीं आ रहा है. नो वरीज. यस, प्रबोध प्लीज रीड.
They reached the park. The sun was high and it was getting hot quickly. Phew! It is turning into sweltering heat now. Harish.
ओके, तो अभी कैसी हो रही है? हाउ इज द वेदर टर्निंग आउट नाउ? अभी वेदर कैसी हो रही है?
Hot. Sweltering heat.
बहुत ज्यादा.
Hot. It is getting hot, isn't it? Can you please mute yourselves? Okay, so it already started getting warm and then it started getting hotter. So what tells us that it is getting hotter? Which word? Which
Sweltering.
phrase? Yes, correct. Sweltering heat. Sweltering heat का क्या मतलब होता है? यानी इतनी गर्मी कि पसीने आने लगते हैं. That is sweltering heat. If you will look at the picture carefully, you will see the man. He has sweat on the forehead, isn't it?
And
He's actually wiping his forehead, isn't it? Okay, come.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read. Yes, Ashwini, will you read?
I'm remember.
Read. Baliram Manole, yes, please read.
Let's find a
Shady spot.
shady spot under that big tree. Suggested Harish. It will be much cooler there. Remember yesterday chilly weather.
Okay. So what are they planning here? What is happening? Okay, what is happening here? What is Harish saying? What is Harish saying?
It will be
The weather
much
is cool.
there.
No.
much cooler day.
Where? Cooler where?
It will be much cooler there. Remember yesterday.
No. What is?
Under the big tree.
So Harish is telling, let us sit under the tree in the shade. Correct? So that it will be cooler there.
Oh.
Who is doing this? Abu Talib, can you stop doing that, please? Please don't do that. Okay. Please read. Who is reading? Vaishali, please read. Vaishali Kharar.
Ma'am,
Under the tree, a grated breezing started. Oh,
A
this
gentle
is
breeze.
nice,
Wait.
said Mira.
Listen, Vaishali. Under the tree, a gentle breeze started. Repeat.
Under the tree, a gentle breeze started. Oh, this is nice, said Mira. Now it is presently cooled and a little wintry. That's a difference a day marks.
What a difference a day makes. Okay. So now they are sitting here in the shade under the tree. The weather is pleasantly cool and a little windy. Okay. See how the weather is changing. Okay. So now that we have learned, how a weather is described. Can you describe the rainy weather? Come on. We learned rainy weather and we learned pleasant weather. What is happening? What is happening? Can you mute yourself, please? Yes. So let us try to describe the rainy weather. Come on. So if I ask Ashwini, how is the weather at your end? Let's suppose it is raining at your end. How will you describe? Yes, Ashwini. How will you describe? How will you? Okay, who would like to describe? Let us describe rainy weather. Let us describe rainy weather. Who will describe? Come on. So the clouds are, yes, Varad, please. You can go ahead and check.
There was heavy rain.
I can't hear you. Your voice is breaking. Yes, who is this, Ganesh?
There was heavy rain in Pune.
There was heavy rain in Pune. Okay, ठीक है. There was heavy rain in Pune. लेकिन थोड़ा सा सेटिंग भी डिस्क्राइब करो. कैसे बादल घने बादल छाए थे. फिर क्या हुआ? And how it started raining heavily. Come on, at least 2 to 3 sentences. We read, no, all this. Come on, let us take inspiration from what we read. How have they described the rainy weather? How have they described the rainy? No problem, Varad. I can understand. There's network issue. Come on. How will you describe rainy weather? Udal Singh, would you like to describe? You're on mute.
I don't know, ma'am.
Acha, theek hai. So this is how you can describe rain. That the clouds. Now, if you ask me, ma'am, how is the weather at your end? I will say the clouds are black. It is so cloudy. It has already started drizzling. There's a lot of thundering and We are experiencing a slight drizzle as of now. Understood? Yes. So I spoke only about drizzle. I did not say it is raining heavily. Okay, come on. Who will, you can repeat the same thing if you want or add as you want. Come on. How will you describe the rainy weather?
Ma'am, me.
Yes, go ahead, Akanksha.
The clouds will be black and gray.
Not will be, the
There will
clouds are.
the clouds are gray and black.
Hmm.
It was cloudy.
Hmm.
The rain was started drizzling.
The rain was started drizzling. No, the rain, it had started drizzling.
It has started drizzling. Then it was misty.
Hmm. Misty.
Then the
मिस्टी एक्चुअली फॉग के बारे में रहता है. ओके, वो ठंडी के सीजन में रहता है. रेनी सीजन में मिस्टी नहीं रहता है. ओके, या बट गुड जॉब, गुड जॉब. So black, gray clouds, it's very cloudy, it has started drizzling. What else? What else?
then the few drops of rain was sprinkling.
Few drops of rain were sprinkling. नहीं आएगा. Drizzling बोला ना तो वही हो गया. Okay, you had mentioned drizzling, right? हाँ, तो वो वही हो गया. Okay, now you can talk about thunder and lightning. You can talk about that. There's a slight drizzle or it is drizzling. It is accompanied with thunder and lightning. यानी drizzle के साथ साथ thunder और lightning भी हो रहा है. Okay, what will you say? It is
It is thundering and
accompanied with thunder and lightning.
lightning.
Wonderful. Okay. Let's move ahead. Now let us describe a pleasant weather. Come on, who will describe a pleasant weather? What is the meaning of pleasant weather? What is the meaning of pleasant weather? Any idea what it means? Pleasant weather?
I'm normal with
Normal weather. Normal weather nahi. Normal weather is something that is always there. Pleasant weather is what we usually experience. When it is neither too cold nor too hot. Okay, that is pleasant. Neither too hot nor too cold. That is pleasant weather. जहाँ पे अच्छी खासी सनशाइन रहती है, लेकिन इतनी भी सनशाइन नहीं कि आपको पसीना होने लगे. Okay, not sweltering heat. Okay, there is a gentle sunshine. Okay, you have that copy with you, all right? This was already shared. Come on, pleasant weather. How will you describe pleasant weather? Okay, Arvind, it's all right. Network issue. How many of you are facing network issue today?
I don't.
आप लोग जहाँ पे हो अभी वेदर कैसी है?
क्लाइमेट की वजह से नेटवर्क
Most of
इशू
you.
normal.
Most
Normal.
of you. Normal है weather. Okay, so describe your normal weather. What do you mean by normal weather? What do you mean by normal weather? What is normal weather? What do you mean by normal weather? Okay.
Simple weather.
So
Raj.
it ठीक है, चलो, let us describe pleasant weather. We learned how to describe rainy weather. Now let us learn how to describe pleasant weather. So it is, there is a gentle breeze. Gentle breeze yani, you know the difference between breeze and wind? Breeze yani हवा का झोंका. Okay?
Yes, yes.
And wind is तेज हवा का झोंका. Okay, there is speed. Wind has speed, breeze doesn't have speed. Okay, understood?
Yes.
So there is a gentle breeze, the sun is shining. What else? The sun is shining. Let us go through, okay, let's go through that book again. See here, it is a gentle breeze, then it is pleasantly cool. Okay, so when the weather is pleasant, the sun shines gently. Okay, the sun shines gently. There is gentle breeze. It is cool, not cold. It is cool. Okay, so now let us describe pleasant weather. How will we describe pleasant weather? Yes, Sheetal? Sheetal? Let's describe pleasant weather.
Ma'am, can I tell?
No. Yes, please tell.
It was gentle breeze. There is a clear and sunny skies. It was low humidity and mild temperatures.
Okay, wonderful. Just that we need to organize it. So, what did you say the first thing?
Gentle breeze.
Okay, the wind was blowing. There was, oh, you can say not wind, sorry. There was a gentle breeze. Okay, then the sun was shining
There is a
gently.
clear and shiny skies.
The sky is clear, bright and clear. Wonderful. What else?
It has a low humidity.
It has
Low humidity.
no, don't talk about humidity in pleasant weather. Okay, humidity will come in hot weather or in rainy season. It becomes too humid. Okay, humid का मतलब क्या होता है? Humid का मतलब क्या होता है? Humid is yes, tell me.
I don't know the exact meaning of humidity.
Okay. So humidity is it is hot and humid, यानी गर्मी तो है और साथ साथ बहुत पसीना होता है. That is hot and humid. Okay, many places you might have heard that it is only hot. So for example, in Pune, I don't think it is humid. Mumbai is humid. Okay, Pune is not humid. Gujarat is not humid. But Mumbai is humid. Okay. तो गुजरात में आपको इतना पसीना नहीं होता है, पुणे में भी नहीं होता है. आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट अदर एरियाज. सो इफ यू कैन शेयर, आपके वहां पे ह्यूमिडिटी होती है क्या? छत्रपति संभाजी नगर में होती है क्या?
नहीं, ज्यादा नहीं.
Yes, ma'am.
होती है. ओके. So we will not talk about humidity for pleasant weather because pasina ana is not is something that is not pleasant, right? Yes,
Humidity.
pleasant weather is जहाँ पे हमको मजा आए. Okay, where we feel
सुहाना
pleased.
मौसम.
That is why it is known as pleasant. हाँ, सुहाना मौसम. Okay,
अच्छा,
So सुहाने मौसम में we don't talk about humidity.
yes.
Okay? Yes. Now let's talk about summer season. चलो लेट्स डिस्क्राइब समर सीजन. ये जो हम सीजन डिस्क्राइब कर रहे थे वो कभी कभार ही आता है मुंबई में. ओके, द प्लेजेंट वेदर. Otherwise it is usually hot or it's raining. Can you imagine it's raining even though Diwali is over? Okay, it rained today also. Did it rain at your end? Did it rain at your end? क्या आपके वहां पे भी बारिश हुई?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So now let us describe the summer season. Let us describe the summer. Let's describe summer. Come on. How will we describe summer? How is summer in Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar? Come on. मुझे बताइए.
Yes, ma'am.
बताइए. धूले में कैसा होता है मुझे आइडिया नहीं है. प्लीज.
Very hot.
वेरी हॉट.
Very hot.
हाँ, अभी मुझे डिस्क्राइब करके बताइए. क्लाउड्स कैसे रहते हैं, स्काई कैसा रहता है? इज इट वेरी क्लियर, वेरी ब्राइट? हाउ डज द सन शाइन? द सन शाइन्स ब्राइटली. यस.
Yes, ma'am.
क्या सन? हाँ, सो द सन शाइन्स ब्राइटली, द स्काईज आर क्लियर, बट देयर इज नो विंड. है ना? समर सीजन में होती है क्या विंड?
Yes, ma'am.
होती है. तो कैसी? सो इट विल बी हॉट. द ब्रीज वाज
Warm.
Hot.
hot or
Warm, warm.
warm
Warm.
breeze. Okay, wonderful. So the breeze is warm. It is it sweltering hot in Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar? Yes, it is sweltering hot. Now here you can also talk about
Yes,
the
ma'am.
temperature. Okay, you can also talk about temperature. So the temperature reaches, does it reach 40 degrees? Does it reach 40
Yes,
degrees or 35?
40 to 35 to 40.
It reaches 35 to 40. Okay, so here you can share the maximum temperature in summer season reaches 40 degrees. And the
35 to
minimum
40.
is? हाँ, minimum कितना
35.
होता है?
35.
Minimum 35 होता है, 35 के नीचे नहीं जाता है.
Yes.
ज़्यादा है.
30,
जाता है कितना?
30,
30.
33.
33, 32, 31.
30 के नीचे जाता है क्या?
Yes.
20.
हाँ तो बोलो ना, मिनिमम मतलब कम से कम कितना जाता है?
Twen-
समर सीजन में
I'm
कितना जाता है?
29.
Minimum
29.
25.
एवरेज 29 रहता है ना गर्मी में?
Yes.
Average. So how do we say? So in Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar during summer there is a warm breeze. The sun shines brightly. It
The tree is
is
very green.
sweltering hot. The maximum temperature is 40 degrees and the minimum is an average of 29 degrees. Okay, तो हमने क्या बताया? हमने स्काई के बारे में बताया, हमने ब्रीज के बारे में बताया, हमने ये भी बताया कि स्वेल्टरिंग हॉट यानी पसीना होता है, और हमने हाईएस्ट टेम्परेचर और लोएस्ट टेम्परेचर की भी बात की. ओके, सो नाउ बेस्ड ऑन दिस, कम ऑन, हु विल नाउ स्पीक, टेल अस अबाउट द वेदर, दैट इज द समर इन छत्रपति संभाजी नगर. कम ऑन. Come on, who will speak? This is, we are learning spoken English. We are learning how to describe the weather, how to describe it. So come on. Kyunki whenever we meet someone, you know, the most common topic, 1 minute, the most common topic people talk is weather. Okay. When you talk, that is how you start talking with people. First you introduce yourself, You ask how are you, you greet, etc., etc. And then you take the talk ahead by talking about weather. So that is why we are learning weather. Okay, how to describe weather. Yes, Arjun, you may proceed now.
Spreading heats everywhere and
No, start from the beginning.
trees.
Start from the beginning. Please start from the beginning. Come on.
The sun is shining and spreading heat everywhere, and
It is
trees look like
sweltering hot.
every green. Trees look like every green,
Okay.
and
Sorry, come again. What did you say?
sun is
हाँ हिंदी में बोलिए, no problem. I will share how to express in English. आप बताइए. Come on.
sun is shining in the sky
Okay.
and spreading heat everywhere,
Oh,
and trees look like every green.
green. क्या green?
Trees
अच्छा. Okay.
and
Okay. And is it sweltering hot?
yes,
So say it is sweltering hot even though breeze is warm. Repeat. It is sweltering hot It is sweltering hot, even the breeze is warm.
warm.
The temperature reaches
Temperature reaches maximum 40 degree and minimum 29 degree.
wonderful. Very nice. Very nice. Come on. Now who will share? So now I want two people to talk to each other, wherein first you will introduce yourself, then you will talk about weather. Okay? As if you are having a conversation. Come on. Yes, I want some people to take initiative. Akanksha and Arjun. Okay? Both of you will talk to each other. Come on, Arjun. You can start by greeting, saying hi. Come on, Arjun.
Hi, Kansha.
Akanksha.
Hello.
Where are you from?
I am from Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. And you?
Okay. I am from Hingoli.
From where? Sorry, I could not hear Arjun.
I am from Hingoli, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Continue. Conversation को आगे लेके जाना है. How will you take the conversation forward? You will talk about the weather. Come on.
How was the weather about your area?
Okay, how is the weather at your end? How, Akanksha? How is the weather at your end? Both of you are from different places, right?
Yes.
Come on, Akanksha, you have to ask him.
How was the weather about your area? At your
Okay.
area?
At your end.
In my area, very pleasant weather.
Okay. How will you describe pleasant weather? Say one or two more sentences. Come on. It is pleasant here,
Pleasant here is
neither too hot nor too cold. यानी बहुत ठंडी भी नहीं है, बहुत गर्मी भी नहीं है.
the weather is very shining in my area and
क्या शाइनिंग है?
weather
नहीं, वेदर शाइनिंग नहीं है. द सन
sun
शाइन.
हाँ
ओके
sun shining है.
ओके. Now you ask her, no? What about you?
I cannot describe, ma'am. Sorry, but
It is okay, Arjun. You are taking the initiative. That is a wonderful thing.
yes.
Okay, pleasant weather में जैसे मैंने आपको बोला कि the weather is pleasant here, neither too hot nor too cold. तो यानी अगर बहुत गर्मी भी नहीं, बहुत ठंडी भी नहीं, मतलब weather pleasant है, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so just these two sentences are also enough.
Yes.
Okay, now you will ask Akanksha, how is the weather at her end? How is the weather at her end? Come on. Arjun, you have to ask Akanksha. कोई हमसे वेदर पूछता है तो सिर्फ जवाब दे के बंद नहीं करना है, हमें भी सामने पूछना है. कॉन्वर्सेशन को ऐसे ही रोलिंग रखते हैं ना. Akanksha, he has asked you.
Ma'am, I can't hear.
Okay, you can't hear. So if you haven't heard, you can tell him. Could you repeat, please? आपको बोलना है ना? If you haven't heard.
I please repeat you.
आकांक्षा, आपका आवाज टूट रहा था. Your voice was breaking because of the network, I think. Can you repeat again?
Yeah, ma'am. I can't hear, Arjun. Can you repeat, please?
Wonderful. Arjun, did you hear that? Arjun? Are you there, Arjun?
Yes, ma'am. Network problem.
Okay, so Akanksha could not hear your question. Could you repeat it? Could you repeat it for Akanksha? Okay, Akanksha, in place of Arjun, I am asking you, how is the weather at your end, Akanksha?
It was rainy, ma'am.
सिर्फ रेनिंग से नहीं बोलना है, एटलीस्ट 2 to 3 sentences. Come on. We've learned, no? 2 to 3 sentences. Come on.
It was light raining.
It was drizzling. Light raining. No. It was drizzling.
It was drizzling.
Okay, that's it.
And
It
the
was-
wind was cold and chilly.
The wind was. The wind is also cool and
Cold,
chilly.
chilly.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. So now your homework is, this is for all of you. You will write 4 to 5 sentences describing rainy weather, describing winter season, and what is happening. Everybody, please be on mute. until you are asked to answer. Okay. Now, your homework is that you will write, you will describe summer season, winter season, and rainy season. Okay? And you will describe, when you're describing the weather, you will talk about the sunshine, you will talk about the air or the wind. Okay? You will also talk about temperature. Okay? What is the highest and what is the lowest temperature during that season? You will also mention whether it is humid or not. Okay? Are we clear on this?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, all of you, all those who have done your homework, even if you have not done, I want you all to finish it and give it to your class teachers, your teachers. Your teachers will forward it to me. Okay? So, your written work should be handed over to your teachers. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
अभी तक हमारे जितने भी क्लासेस हुए हैं उसमें आपको एक्टिविटीज दी गई हैं, तो वो सारी एक्टिविटीज आपको फिनिश करनी है. व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? आपको सारी एक्टिविटीज फिनिश करके अपनी टीचर्स को हैंड ओवर करना है. टीचर्स हैंड ओवर करके मुझे पास ऑन करेंगे. ठीक है? अनदर थिंग, आई वांट यू ऑल टू स्टार्ट रिकॉर्डिंग. आप जो बोलते हो ना उसको रिकॉर्ड करना है, जो लिखा है उसको रिकॉर्ड भी करना है. जैसे आपने वेदर डिस्क्राइब किया, लिखा आपने, सेम चीज आप रीड भी करोगे और उसका रिकॉर्डिंग भी करोगे. आई बात समझ में? क्या करना है?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand? हाँ. Now why am I asking? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is for Prabodh.
Yes, ma'am.
अब तक का जो भी होमवर्क था आपको दिया गया था, एक्टिविटीज के साथ दिया गया होगा, प्लीज डू दैट. आपकी टीचर्स को पास ऑन हैंड ओवर करना, आपकी टीचर्स मुझे पास ऑन करेंगे. ठीक है? आप सबको वॉइस नोट भी भेजना है. यू हैव टू शेयर योर वॉइस नोट्स. ओके? वॉट एवर यू हैव रिटन, you will share a voice note too, as if you are having a conversation. So हमने we spoke about introduction, likes and dislikes. Then we spoke about our favorite things. We spoke about weather. We spoke about colors. Okay? तो वो सारी चीजें आप लोगों को, I am hearing my own echo, so I have muted you. आपको वो सब चीजें भेजनी है. ठीक है? Okay, people are already wishing me good night.
Good night, ma'am.
Good night, ma'am. Good night, ma'am.
Ma'am, say good morning.
I want the homework.
Good night.
Good night.